In a rack, how you deal with the hate? Lean over you, baby girl, no debate. Took her to sex restaurant for a date. Best coat there, I got taste. I ain't worried about a nigga hand in my face. Twin, wish a nigga get in my way. Fuck a bitch, only codeine I crave. She was a pussy.
Oh, no play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm gonna shut up, select boy. Hold on, a pussy, you know, a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. Hey, move from
YouTube gang, it's your boy John Bisc. I'm back with another hit and I'm smashing a bang. From the title, guys, yes, I'm back with another video from who? Yeah, man, Lucky. Yeah, man, really dope artist called Lucky. You guys seem to really love the previous video we did it for him, which is called Faith. Y'all really like that video, man. Y'all been showing it mad love. So 400 views, man. And yeah, so I decided, yo, you guys really like the Lucky video, and I really like enjoying watching and listening to his music also. So why not we do some more Lucky videos? Yeah, man. So he dropped a lot of songs for the past couple of days. We're gonna check them out. The first one we're gonna check out is actually called Nigo, and this is actually the visualizer to that. I haven't heard the audio or seen the visualizer, so we're gonna check out react to the audio and the visualizer today. Okay, yeah, man. So really do a artist, man. Lucky, you got some mad tracks such as Faith. Yeah, man, I really like this guy music, man. For my Jamaican people, go ahead and check out his page called Lucky. Show him some love over there. My American people should already know him, so yeah, man, we're gonna check it out and see what's going on, if it's a really dope track and all the visualizer going on. Okay, so yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and share and subscribe. To please turn on your notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. You know, I'm going back to my multiple times a day uploads, man. I'm gonna be, yeah, man, content's coming consistent, guys. So please, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bells. You feel me? So you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And for my returning viewers and subscribers, I really appreciate the love and support. Man, we're growing strong over here. I really like all the comments. Even the artists have been showing me love. Artists such as Wasp that did the song with Vybz Kartel, J-Mix, freaking Skilly Bang himself mentioned me on Instagram. Even Takeover that he did in Alien Mode mentioned me on Instagram. So the artists are showing me love, guys, and it's all because of y'all showing me love. So I really appreciate everything you guys have done. Okay, so thank you, and we're gonna go ahead and check out Lucky today. So alright, so yeah, without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the track. This is Lucky's new song, the visual entitled Nigo. Let's get it.
Ooh, hey, hop in that bitch, go ape. I put a bougie bad bitch in a high speed. Lucky I'm still yo straight. Why you in a rack? How you deal with the hate? Lean over you, baby girl, no debate. Took her to sex restaurant for a date. Best coat there, I got taste. I ain't worried about a nigga hand in my face. Twin, wish a nigga get in my way. Fuck a bitch, only codeine I crave. She wish her pussy had codeine taste. Hit fashion week cause I want GG. Miss Tori cause she never wanted fame. He don't like when this bitch play my music. Next song I'ma say her name. My aunt said that I suspect she abusing. Told her ass cough. Rather be a lover boy than a broke ass too cool nigga. And my host flawless told me to come to her club. She mad I did it. Still fuck when she got off.
Hold on. Really dope track, but I gotta take that from the back, dog, cause Lucky, he got this unorthodox flow, and he got lyrics and the beats beyond, different. So yo, you gotta pay attention. Hold on, let's take this from the top. This is Lucky Nigo. Let's get it.
Ooh, hey, hop in that bitch, go ape. I put a bougie bad bitch in a high speed. Lucky I'm still yo.
Oh, hop in the pussy and then go ape. Put a bad booty bitch in high speed. okay, alright. I'm catching. That's
straight. Why you in a rack? How you deal with the hate? Lean over you, baby girl, no debate. Took her to sex restaurant for a date. Best coat there, I got taste. I ain't worried about a nigga hand in my face. Twin, wish a nigga get in my way. Fuck a bitch, only codeine I crave. She was a pussy.
Oh, niggas a fuck a bitch on the codeine I crave. Niggas a fuck a bitch, you don't carry them drugs, man. Really different track, really dope beat. Really, that type flow. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. What y'all think about this news? I really like the visualizer. The Basquiat and drawing type visualizers and artwork and videos have been really popping lately. So I'm I really like the visualizer. But let me know what you think of the song. You already know fire emoji if it's fire, trash can or shit emoji if it's trash. But dope track. You already know this is Lucky, man.
She had codeine taste, hit fashion week cause I want GG. Miss Tori.
I said hate fashion week cause I want GG. Oh shit.
Cause she never wanted fame. He don't like when this bitch play my music. Next song I'ma say her name. My aunt said that I suspect she abusing. Told her ass cough. Rather be a lover boy than a broke ass too cool nigga. And my never wanted fame. He don't like when this bitch play my music. Next song I'ma say her name.
Said, yeah, is that? What? You don't like when they don't play my music? Next song I'ma play.
My aunt said that I suspect she abusing. Told her ass cough. Rather be a lover boy than a broke ass too cool nigga. And my host flawless told me to come to her.
Rather be a lover boy than a no. Rather be a lover boy than a broke too. Rather be a lover boy than a broke too cool nigga. I'm a bitch flawless. I fucked her. I hear that, my nigga, for real. Niggas be acting like, oh, he too cool for him to be broke. Nigga, I gotta be a lover boy. Damn, I gotta be a lover boy than a broke nigga. Any day.
Club, she mad I did it. Still focus, she got off. How you get money and stay yourself is simple. My pops is a boss, no internet beef.
Or you get money and stay yourself is simple. My pops is a boss. Hey.
Cause I got white fans, I'm popular, but ain't no calling them off. My niggas, I'm ballin' for y'all. Sip a drink raw, I'm ballin' for ball. Brandon was the first.
Yeah, my niggas, I'm ballin' for y'all. So what you know, I'm oh.
Nigga, I knew got killed. Play man 08 when I got that call. Who I did really hurt me cause I love Tia. I love tomboy ass at heart. 6th grade, me married DJ to Shana. Scream rock boy, rock girls in the party. Hey, Tony, your boy hurt my feelings. Praying your little brother in jail getting solace. If we was kids and I knew you was leaving, won't never cry that you was ball hogging. Brandy, I'm mad at God you gone. Still a young pretty thing told me he got you. Hey. Hop in that bitch, go ape. He sick, I bossed up his home a trick. That's why we fuck on my cape. How you call it back in without a front? Got both minds, even though I'm late. Collars in the band, they're like, where you been? I guess both MIA.
Yeah, hop in that bitch and go ape. Yeah, my cape. Oh, yo, man. Yeah, I'm hearing what he's saying, but it's just like, you know, Arthur, like, say what he's saying, but really dope track from Lucky, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. It's a fire track, man. I really like the visualizer thing. You really gotta listen to what he say and, you know, feel a beat to like get it. You probably like, but nigga sliding, bro. Trust me. Just check it out.
When that bitch go ape, I put a bougie bad bitch in high speed. Lucky I'm sick, yo, straight. Why you in the rack? How you deal with the hate? Lean over you, baby girl, no debate. Took her to sex, what you work for a day? Physical thing, I got taste. Hop in that bitch, go ape. Hop in that bitch, go ape. 200 plus on this bitch. Hop in that bitch, go ape. She don't really like cats and shit, she like rangers. So look, she don't really know the SVR just like the cat. So I'm doing the same thing. Hop in that bitch, go ape. Ooh. Hop in that bitch, go ape.
Go ape. Oh shit. Alright. Okay, Lucky. Oh, y'all didn't get no eyes on me, man. Y'all tripping. Okay, Lucky. I see you, man. Really dope track from Lucky. That was called Nigo. Man, I've been that bitch going, hey. Put a bad bitch in a high speed. I really got it. All the after that, so you got a dope beat. You got a different style, man. Really dope. Really dope song and visualizer from Lucky, man. So go check it out. Why am I studying it today, man? Warm to me. But anyway, yeah, man, guys, go check it out and show the artist some love on him page. Just Lucky, Lucky. Go check him out, show him some love on him page. You see me? Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Really dope track. I enjoy watching that. Really dope visual. I'm excited to see what else he's got coming. So yeah, stay tuned for the upcoming prizes. Shout outs and giveaway and prizes, man. Really dope tracks. Yeah, so stay tuned, man. It's your boy Jam Bisco. Love you guys. I'ma see y'all in chat in the premiere, so look out for that. So stay safe. Love you guys. Until next time. It's your boy Jam Bisco. I was here and I hit and I smash and I banger. Stay safe, man.